Brian Sensei here. Full disclosure, I know nothing about coding and game design, yet I was able to create this video game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own video game in just a few minutes using ChatGPT. Let's dig in. Okay, so to get started, open your favorite internet browser and head on over to chatgpt.com. In this scenario, I'm going to make a game that I can put on my School of Rock website for my visitors to enjoy. All right, once you're here, start a new chat if you need to, and we're going to click into the Ask Anything field, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt, which I have already composed. Act as a coder and create a game. The gameplay should have a guitar that is moved left and right at the bottom of the screen in order to catch falling musical notes. Each note will make a corresponding audio blast of that musical note. Send. And boom shakalaka, ChatGPT goes right to work writing the code for this game. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Make sure it has finished. Yes, it looks like the code is all done. And we have some notes here down below. What this game does. And it looks like we will move left and right with the arrow keys or the A key and the D key. When you catch a note, it plays a real musical tone. And your score increases. Here are some tech highlights about the type of code, and down here we can see how to run it. Now, you can also see at the top of the written code here, we have a preview button. So I can click here to actually preview the game now. Let's try it out. The paddle is not moving. Oh, I need to click on it first. There we go. All right, pretty cool. But, you know, this looks really basic. The graphics are way too simple. I want to go ahead and make this a little bit more exciting. So I'm going to come back up to the top right and click stop. And I'll click the X here to close out of the code view and back to my AI chat. And I'm going to come down to the text field and add the following. Make the paddle look like an actual guitar and make the falling notes look like actual musical notes. Also, add levels and power-ups. Send. And here we go. ChatGPT is updating the code to add my requests. Look at that. We can watch it review line by line and update it as needed.
A few moments later.
All right, looks like it's done. Let's go ahead and click preview. Okay, so the paddle now looks somewhat like a guitar, and the falling notes look like actual musical notes. All right, not too shabby. I'm going to go ahead and click stop and close out. Back to our chat conversation. All right, looks like we've got some more information here about how the guitar paddle was updated, real musical notes, level system, power-ups. All right, and it's even suggesting some things. Want to go even further? I'd recommend chords, string-based lines, real guitar samples, miss penalties, combo meter, touch support for tablets. Wow, I didn't even consider these things. So here I can continue to have the conversation with ChatGPT to further enhance my game. Now, the next thing you might be wondering is, how could you link this to a website so that this is online and you can make it available for your audience to play? Explain to me how to make this available online for my friends to play. Send. totally doable, and it's easier than it sounds. Option 1, GitHub pages. We can upload it to GitHub and make it available there, and there's all the directions. Option 2, Netlify. Another option for uploading it online. Option 3, simple local test, sharing tips for friends, and some more suggestions. So you can take this and get it set up online and then simply link to the game from somewhere on your website. All right, and that's how easy it is to make your own video game. No coding skills required.
You can do it!
If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.